Dr. J. Geeta Reddy Garu, Chairman P.V. Narasimha Rao Birth Centenary Celebrations Committee of Telangana PCC, and honorable members of the committee, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Honorable Prime Minister, former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Srinath Reddy, very distinguished doctor and the president today's PV Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Shri Manikam Tagore ji, AICC in charge Telangana, Member of Parliament from Tamil Nadu, Shri Bose Raju and Shri Srinivasan, who are attending this program on Zoom app from their respective locations, friends and colleagues. It's my great privilege and pleasure to be able to address this occasion today. Today is the 100th birthday of one of the great sons of India, and we are all very proud. One of the greatest sons of Telangana. Undoubtedly, the greatest son of Telangana. He went on to not only in the state, he's a freedom fighter himself. From an ordinary Congress party worker, he rose to be the PCC president and the chief minister of Telangana. He held every significant cabinet portfolio in Government of India and was a Prime Minister of India from 91 to 96. He was an MLA for several terms from Mantani constituency, from where today Sridhar Babu is the MLA. Before that, same constituency, Sridhar Babu's father was the MLA. Then he was an MP from Hanamkonda, MP from Nandyal, from Ramtek, and from Behrampur in Orissa. I also had the unique privilege of knowing P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, both as family friends and as a close friend of my grandfather. And when I worked with the President of India, with President R. Venkatraman and President Shankar Dayal Sharma as a cabinet minister, and on several foreign tours, we traveled together, and I was really fortunate to listen to him in personal conversation on many subjects. P.V. Narasimha Rao will be remembered in Telangana and in the country for the landmark reforms that he brought. He is known for the financial reforms. He and Dr. Manmohan Singh ji changed the financial landscape of India forever.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
He changed the financial structure of India forever. And today, if India is in the one of the global superpowers financially, it is due to the efforts then commenced by Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu and Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. I'm really happy that Manmohan Singh ji agreed at a short notice and on just one letter and a call to be present at today's function. I heartfully thank you, sir. It's really kind of you to spare your valuable time. P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu was himself a freedom fighter, was a grassroots Congress worker, a PCC president, a chief minister. As chief minister, he brought in path-breaking land reforms. Today, a lot of people in power lie to the weaker sections about land that they want to give. As a result of P.V. Narasimha Rao's Land Ceiling Act in Telangana, so many Dalits and tribals, landless Dalits and tribals received lakhs of acres in those days. These were path-breaking land reforms for the whole country. Land Ceiling Act of Andhra Pradesh, though it caused a lot of heartburn among a lot of landlords, I think for this country, this Land Ceiling Act brought by PV was a significant step of empowering the Dalits and tribals. I will just say a word about Dr. Srinath Reddy. I'm really happy that Srinath is here today to receive the PV Birth Centenary Celebrations Committee Lifetime Achievement Award. I must also confess that Srinath is a childhood friend of mine. His father, Mr. Raghunath Reddy, was a union minister and then governor of West Bengal. His mother, Dr. Sarojini Reddy, was a very famous doctor, probably the most famous gynecologist in the 60s and 70s and the 50s too. And she was a doctor in attendance when I was born. So with the family of Dr. Srinath Reddy, I have known them for the time I was born, and I must say a couple of things about him. Today he is receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award. A man of principles, a man of values, a man of convictions, a man of commitment. He's one of the most competent cardiologists in the country. If he wanted to go to private practice, he would have probably made crores of rupees. He dedicated his life, his medicine, to the service of the people. He was a very distinguished cardiologist in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and then he opted out to himself establish a Public Health Foundation of India and work relentlessly for the public health of the general public of India. It's really a historic occasion today. This is P.V. Narasimha Rao's 100th birthday. Dr. Manmohan Singh, who was one of the greatest prime ministers of India, is here today as the chief guest, and to give away the award, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, who holds the record for the maximum number of consecutive electoral victories in India. He has won 11 elections in a row. He has risen from Mallikarjun Kharge ji is a Dalit giant of this country. He rose from very ordinary level to 9 times as an MLA, MP, and now he was the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha last term and is leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha now. I heartily thank Kharge ji for accepting our invitation to attend this meeting. I thank Srinath for accepting our invitation and coming today. And I must say a word. I thank Shri Manikam Tagore ji, MP from Tamil Nadu and our AICC in charge. I thank our AIC secretaries, Bose Raju ji and Srinivasan Garu. I thank Revanth Reddy, who was appointed, MP Revanth Reddy appointed as the newly PCC President of Telangana. So probably this is also, I'm happy that such a distinguished program, this is probably also the last program I'll be attending as a PCC President. And I thank every one of you here. I mean, Mr. Ponna Lakshmaya, Jana Reddy Garu, Mallu Ravi, Vinod, Niranjan Garu, G. Vinod, everybody, please don't mind if I miss some names. And lastly, I must say, as the outgoing PCC President, that Dr. Geeta Reddy Garu has done a yeoman job as this chairman of this committee. Geeta Reddy was the chairman, Sridhar Babu was the vice chairman. Sridhar Babu and his family were very close to PV's family, both personally. Then there are people like Venugopal who have coordinated with PV's family. Mahesh Gaud, recently just appointed as the working president, did all the legwork for this committee. If I have forgotten somebody's name, please don't mind it. You must excuse me. V. Hanumantrao, as the honorary chairman of the committee, is hospitalized in ICU, so hence he could not attend this function. Even this program, today's program of 28th June, I must say that when a week back Dr. Geeta Reddy told me that we must organize, I said, ma'am, I'm stepping down, so would it not be more appropriate for somebody else to come and do it? She said, no, you only have to organize it. So both of us worked on inviting Dr. Manmohan Singh, Dr. Srinath Reddy, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, Shri Manikam Tagore, and all the other distinguished guests who are here. I would like to conclude saying that PV was one of the great sons of Telangana, one of the great prime ministers of India, and today is 100th birthday being celebrated in Gandhi Bhavan is a great occasion. Due to COVID-19, we are having to do it as a virtual program. Even then, the response has been overwhelming. I thank everybody, and I once again thank Dr. Manmohan Singh, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, and Dr. Srinath Reddy. Thank you very much.